Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about a few things I had got from Nykaa. I had ordered their hand creams and hand and nail creams and few hand nail oils which are from Calabar. So the parcel just came in today and I thought I would just share the video with you all so that you all know how it is and how it smells, or is it worth it, or is it good and everything. So these are the 5 hand and nail creams which I've got from Nykaa store, and these 3 are the nail oils which I got from Calabar. I think it's there for quite some time, but I've never seen any review about these on YouTube or anywhere else. So I just thought I would just give you a brief information about these 3 and how these smell in particular. So let's start off with the creams. I actually ordered 3 fruity smell and 2 flowery ones. So this is a strawberry one. The consistency of this is actually pretty good. They blend into the hand really well. I had just given it a go a little bit so that I wanted to know whether the smell is good or not. So yeah, I did try it out. So this strawberry one has a very what do you say, creamy consistency. It comes out in a very creamy milky white color, and then it smells really good. It's like I literally just have a fruit basket in front of me. It smells exactly like strawberries, and it is not drying at all. It does not make my hand look oily or anything. It just blends into the skin. That is strawberry, and that smells really good. That's strawberry and vanilla. The next one I'm gonna try is Amalfi lemon and sea salt. Yeah, so that is Amalfi lemon and sea salt. So let's just try this out. I wanted to buy these so that whenever I do my nails and I'm done with it, I use acetone. So when we use acetone, automatically the skin around your nails and everything gets really dry. So I thought it would be a good, hydrator after I use that. This also came out a little. This was not as creamy, or this was not as off-white as the strawberry one, but then yeah, it is a little bit normal whitish color, but yeah, it is nice and soft on the skin. Yeah, it really smells so fresh. It is lemon and it smells amazing. That's Amalfi lemon and sea salt. The next one is French lavender and honey. So that's a flower one. I thought I didn't want all fruits, so I thought I would just get 2 flowers and few other fruits which are really fresh and everything. This also looks white and the consistency is also good. They're not drying, they're not really oily on the hand, and if you have really dry skin like me, then it's gonna be really good because I can just feel it, and it's really soft. This smells literally like how can I explain this? There's this Yardley perfume and these lavender powder which I think I've smelled some time back. It smells just exactly like that. So that was French lavender and honey. The next one is mandarin honey. So yeah, let's try this one. I have one more body lotion from Bath and Body Works. Not Bath and Body Works, from the Body Shop. So that's the Satsuma. That's actually an orange based cream. So I know how orange cream will smell. It smells really good. So I wanted something like that for my hand and nails. So I thought I would just give this a try. Oh, this smells really good too. These lemon and strawberry and this orange literally smell exactly like Frutella. These small candies which we used to get I think it's still available. So these creams actually literally just smells like that. So that's really really fresh and candy type. And this was the mandarin and honey. So the next and the last one is rose and white musk. This also smells good. So yeah. Oh, this really smells really good. This smell exactly like rose water, the ones which we can get in those bottles, the rose water bottles. This smells literally like rose water. So those were the five hand and nail creams that I got from Nykaa, and there are literally many more which I just wanted some. I just wanted to try some so that if I wanted more, I can just go back to them. So yeah, these are the five ones which I got, and I think they are really amazing, and they smell really good too. So it's a good investment for your price. I guess these are 275 rupees, and that's a good amount for how much grams are these? I think these are 30 ml. So that's a good amount because it's not a body lotion, it's literally just a hand and nail cream. So you're not going to use it that much as we use a body lotion. So that is the five colors, and I think it is worth the price. So the next item which I'm going to show you all is the Calabar nail oil, nail and cuticle oil. I just was going through some stuff in Nykaa. Like, I just wanted to know if they have some good nail oils, and I just stumbled upon the Calabar nail oil, and I thought I would just give it a go. They have three different types, and for three different skin types and three different varieties. So the orange one is for dryness fix, for anti-aging. So dryness fix for anti-aging and dryness. That's the orange one. The pink one says Iron Woman for strength and growth. And the third one is Damage Buster for weak and damaged nails. So these three are the ones. So I'll just give them a try, and you can see how they look, and I will let you know how it smells too. So this nail actually literally broke yesterday, and it hurts me so much. It just got caught in my bed when I was pulling something out, and that hurts me so much right now. It's literally just coming off, so I need to just fix that up. So this nail oil actually just goes into the skin so quickly. It is not that oily, or it is not that slippery and greasy around the nails. It actually just gets absorbed really nicely. And this smells like, I don't know, some random flower smell. I don't understand the smell right now because I use so many creams, so I don't know what smell it exactly smells like. This is a light flower smell, as long as I can say. It smells little less flowery, not too strong. So the next one is the Iron Woman. That's the pink one. Yeah. This one has a strong smell. As I put it on, I can actually feel it. I can actually sense it a lot. That this has a strong, like how I said, the rose water type smell. This has a strong flowery scent to it. And yeah, as I was telling, the first one also, the second one also seeps into the skin very quickly and very fast. It absorbs very nicely. It is not that greasy or like normal oil, how it feels. This is actually good. You can see the difference. I had applied in these two fingers and I did not apply in this. So the third one is the damage fix. So this one actually smells a little orangey, and I don't know how to explain this, but it's like a pungent smell. It's not that good, but that's not that bad either. So the consistency of all three are the same, and makes the skin look a little more supple and nice. But the smell, I don't know how to say this, but it smells like it smells a little more pungenty. I don't know why that is. Like the orange one smells a little. I don't know why. So these were. I'll put the price in the description because I really don't know. Yeah, these were 350 per bottle, and this is made in Poland. So they have only 3 different flavors, only these 3. So yeah, so I just wanted to talk about this and the creams which I got today. So I'm pretty sure the creams are really good, and for the nail oil I really need to try them out for some more time, and then I would let you know how they are. So thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.